If you're in the Albion Park Rail area and struggling with a garage door that just won't move smoothly, the problem might be with the tracks. Misaligned or bent tracks can cause your garage door to get stuck or operate unevenly, posing not only an inconvenience but also a safety hazard. Don't let a misaligned garage door disrupt your day. Take action now by calling us at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to realign or repair your garage door tracks, ensuring your door operates smoothly and safely. Call today and get back the convenience and security of a fully functional garage door.